Hello everyone. Hi ladies. Welcome to our video on how to grow your booty fast. That's our topic to explore for today. Thanks to celebs like Kim Kardashian and Nicki Minaj, a big booty is très on trend. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing, but strong glutes are essential for keeping good posture and increasing athletic performance. To grow your butt, you'll need to focus on exercises that target your muscles from different angles. Here are the key ones that you can incorporate into your workout. Activate your glute muscles. The glute muscles are among the largest and most powerful muscles in the human body. They play a key role in many different movements and are essential for everyday activities, including standing up, walking, climbing stairs, and lifting things. If you want to grow your booty, the best way to do so is by consistently working out and eating a well-balanced diet that includes protein, carbs, healthy fats, and plenty of veggies. Despite the fact that working out and eating right are essential, it can take some time to see positive changes in your butt. That's why it's important to focus on consistency and mix up your routine with some of the best exercises for a bigger butt. In addition to the squats, lunges, and hip thrusts that you're likely already doing in your workouts, try adding some of these other exercises for butt growth. Glute activating exercises. One of the best ways to activate your glute muscles is to perform simple movement that engages them. This can be done using your own body weight or by performing a small circuit with some dumbbells. This will help you strengthen your glute muscles while also allowing them to recover between sets and prevent overworking them. For instance, a clamshell is a great glute activating exercise that targets both the adductor leg muscles, the muscles on the outside of your legs, and the quadriceps muscle. Lie on your side with your knees bent and feet together. Then open up your top leg as far as you can without tilting your pelvis. Hold for a moment, then slowly lower back to the starting position. Repeat on both sides. Another good option is the step up. Start by stepping up onto a bench or platform with one foot followed by another foot, then step down from the platform with one foot followed by another. You can keep repeating that, keeping your torso upright. You can perform other step-up variations as demonstrated for faster impacts on your glute muscles and better results. Performing this move helps target the glute medius and minimus muscles, both of which are often neglected. This is a challenging movement that requires a lot of focus, but it's an effective way to activate your glutes and improve the strength of your lower posterior chain. Strengthen your glute muscles. Glute muscles are not just responsible for a beautiful butt. They also help us sit, stand, and run, jump, and lift. And they keep your back strong and stable, reducing the risk of lower back pain or injuries. To get your glutes to grow, you need to work them hard. That means increasing the amount of weight you use in your exercises and incorporating more and more reps to increase the intensity of each session. But just like all muscle groups, glutes need to rest between sessions and be fed a healthy diet in order to grow bigger and stronger. One of the best ways to strengthen your glutes is with this great little move, the bridge. The bridge is a great glute exercise for beginners because it's easy to perform and effective. The bridge is a great way to strengthen your core, and it also targets your upper back muscles. Another great glute building move is the hip thrust. To do this as demonstrated, your 2 feet both on the floor and your back on the bench. You bend forward, allowing the weight of your body to push your legs up into the air behind you. This move is very important for strengthening your hips, and it also targets your gluteus medius and gluteus minimus muscles, which are 2 of the larger celebrity glute muscles that everyone has heard of. A good pair of shoes can also be useful in helping to grow your booty. It's important to get a pair that supports your feet, and if you have flat feet or pronate through your feet, it may be helpful to get fitted for orthotics. It's also important to eat a balanced diet and to ensure that you're getting enough carbs to fuel your workouts. Protein is crucial to building muscle, so eat plenty of lean meats and whey proteins, as well as whole grains and beans. It's recommended that you do 2 to 3 workouts per week. And to ensure you have adequate recovery time between each session so your muscles can grow bigger and stronger. It's also important to eat nutrient-rich foods such as nuts, seeds, olive oil, avocados, and yogurt, and to stay hydrated. Eat the right foods. You've seen it all over Instagram, girls in tight biker or gym shorts with round, high-sitting booties living the good life. While genetics play a major role, you can also help your bum grow by making dietary changes and incorporating the right foods into your diet. A thick, perky tush is made up of both muscle and fat. The gluteus maximus, medius, and minimus muscles, which reside underneath the fat, can be strengthened with certain foods to increase your butt size. However, before you start munching on avocado toast and grilled salmon, remember that the muscles in your derriere require protein to build, repair, and maintain themselves. That's why consuming plenty of protein-rich foods is essential to achieving your ideal tush. These include legumes like mung beans, chickpeas, lentils, black or kidney beans, and peas, as well as whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and amaranth, which are all rich in protein. Beans and legumes are also packed with other important nutrients that contribute to a bigger booty, such as fiber, healthy fats, iron, and magnesium. Try adding these to your favorite smoothies or eat them as a snack between meals. The healthy fats in avocados are not only delicious, but they're also a great source of booty-building omega-3 fatty acids. These fatty acids reduce inflammation, speed up muscle recovery, and prevent muscle loss. Other healthy sources of protein include eggs, chicken, and fish. The leucine found in eggs is known to boost protein synthesis, which can help you get your butt into shape. Eggs are also loaded with other essential nutrients, such as selenium, riboflavin, vitamin B12, and phosphorus. It's also important to avoid sugary treats that are high in calories and unhealthy fats. While a cupcake is fine on occasion, regularly stopping by the bakery for donuts or cookies will only delay your goal of a perky butt. So there you have it, ladies. Those are the exercises and nutritional tips for achieving a fast growth in your butt. You can check out our other videos on the same topic for more inspiration and guidance. You can also click the link in the description below for help specific to the video topic. If you have any question or comment, please feel free to leave it down below so we can discuss. If you found this video helpful, please press like, subscribe to our channel, and share our video to your friends. In the meantime, thank you for watching. Take good care of yourself, and see you in our other videos.